Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing something very special that I'm glad I was able to get. I wouldn't call it too rare, but you don't really see these too much. Today we are unboxing the Coca-Cola mini fridge, as you can see here. It is very small, but it can fit 12 soda cans. As you can see here, there's a little picture on how it fits in there. Or I'm pretty sure you're able to fit 4 water bottles vertically just standing up. So let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are. We have it on a table. You don't actually need any knives for this because, as you can see here, there's just like a little flap here. You pull it up, bend those back a little bit. You have your instructions or owner's manual right here. It just tells you about maintenance, modes, features, all that. We're going to go over that a little bit later. And here, of course, actually we'll set it down here. We'll just turn it upside down. There we go. That's everything in the box. I'm assuming the cords are most likely in there. Yeah, the story of how I got this is I went to Kmart yesterday, this is actually November 17th today that I'm recording this. It might be posted a lot later, but I went to Kmart, and the Kmart store in Easton is closing, unfortunately. There's a lot of problems with Sears and them with money, but yeah, they had some things on sale. This was one of the things. It was down from 54, which was a clearance sale. I don't know how you call that really clearance, because the original price was I looked on Amazon to see what the original price was. It's about $70, so I guess that was a little bit of money off, but it was half off of 54, so I got it for about 26, 7. Not bad though. And I got a lot of other things, but I won't be unboxing those because it's not as interesting. But yeah, that's how I got this. Let's unbox or unpackage this. Oh, there is a piece of tape. One singular piece of tape. Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. Okay. So you might need a knife or scissors or something for this. There's one piece of tape. Okay, there we are. And it is very nice inside. So here's the inside. You have a shelf that is removable that you can just take out or do whatever you want with. And then you have a car charger or a portable charger for, like, if you're on a boat or you're in a car and for some reason you have a Coca-Cola refrigerator in that vehicle. And yeah, this is the inside. So this shelf you can just put back in if you would like to. It just stays like that. And you can put 2 sodas up here and 2 down here. Or maybe it was 4 down here or something. But it is very nice. It's quiet too, so that's always a nice feature. And then you have a hot and cold setting, as you can see in the back. So you have your DC power here. This is for the car. You have 12 volts. And you can look up the exact explanation of DC and AC power. But this is just for a car. You can plug it in a car or a vehicle or, you know, wherever you are that has this attachment, we'll call it. Adapter. And this is for wall. That is AC power. Okay, so let's try plugging it in. I have an outlet down here. I always have things. A little fan in the back. Very quiet, I'd call it. And it keeps it nice and cool on the inside. So you do have a hot setting. I'll read about that real quick. You have a hot setting that you can move the slider until the warm, and until it is warm, and it has a red light in the back, as you saw. Oh, it actually is very cool in here. And then you have a cool setting. You move the slider to cool, and it will be cold, and the green light will be on. Maintenance, you just keep cords and the cigarette lighter socket clean at all times. Small tobacco and dirt particles, motor fin. For long periods of storage, a small container of baking soda or charcoal powder placed inside. Keep it dry or eliminate odors. When heating, the aluminum lining is hot. Do not touch the lining. Burning hazard. That can be a hazard. When using in the car, there will be a drain on the car battery if the engine is off. That's of course with pretty much everything. You leave the lights on, that will happen. Ensure the fan is able to rotate at all times so you're not blocking the back, because if it's heating, you will have some problems there. And yeah, it's very nice. This features a thermoelectric unit designed to be a portable storage container for cold drinks and cold food in cold mode. And the unit can chill to approximately 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius below ambient temperature. In hot mode, it can store hot pre-cooked food and drinks. The unit will heat to approximately 135 degrees, which is really good, and 57 degrees Celsius. The unit is powered by a 12-volt DC system, such as a vehicle, and can be powered by a house AC system. So it's a very great small refrigerator unit. I mean, it'll keep things cool. 32 degrees Fahrenheit, that's insane for a small unit like this. And I do recommend keeping this cord, because if you will go on a road trip or something, and you are keeping your car running while this is plugged in, you do want to have this, because you can plug this in then, and you can keep 4 sodas, water bottles, and things. Let's actually test this out real quick. Let's see if you could fit water bottles in here. We'll take the shelf out. I don't actually have sodas right now to fit in here, but you can see by the diagram on the box that they can fit in there. So here we are with our 4 water bottles. Let's put one in. Let's see where. Ooh, it's hidden the top. You can fit 2 in, just in the front, but you can't really do anything else then. I mean, you can close it. Works really nice. I did get this one because it had a polar bear on it, and I always love the Christmas Coca-Cola cans. I'll show a picture on screen here what I mean, but I always like the polar bear Coca-Cola one, so I figured I'd get this. So you can fit 2 in here. You cannot lay them down because, of course, it won't even shut. But I mean, if you do want to put 2 in, you can do that. Or you can get the small water bottles, and you can probably stack like 4 in here. You put 2 on the top on the shelf, and you can put 2 on the bottom. Or maybe, sorry, you could put 4 on the bottom and 2 on the top. So you can always do that. But for soda cans, you can put those in here. Those definitely work for this. It's nice. CFC free insulation, which is good, and external heat dissipation by the fan in the back, of course. Powered by a 12-volt DC or 110-volt AC. And I covered all that. So, of course, if you did enjoy the video, or if you would like to get this down below, you can go click on the link and get the Amazon link for that, or I'll probably put the Coca-Cola website if they sell this on there. I will put that down below. And also, if you could leave a like down below, that would be appreciated. And also, if you could consider subscribing, that would be great. I'm trying to get to 125 subscribers by the end of this year. I think we can do it. We're probably at 120 by now. So of course, if you could do that, that would be very appreciated. And if you did enjoy this video and want to get one of these for yourself, you are able to down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
And now you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone.